This is the flange forming process of the T10 flange forming machine. This machine can process flanges with a diameter ranging from 500 to 3500 m. It is equipped with a human-machine interface, diameter forming positioning wheels, and a distance adjustment position ruler design, making its operation accurate, simple, and clear. There is no material loss at the front and rear straight parts during processing, featuring high efficiency and cost reduction. Capable of processing carbon steel and stainless steel materials up to 8 mm thick. Processing sequence: feeding, forming, rolling, cutting. The molds can be adjusted according to customers' specific product requirements. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.